Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Pedi and today I'm presenting another video in my The Nail Sesh DIY nail series. I'm going to be showing you how I do my pedicures at home using inexpensive tools and things that I try to keep on hand in the event I can't make it to my nail appointment. So let's jump right into this video. So first I need to remove the polish from my previous set. This is a pedicure that I did at home as well, and I'm just taking some pure acetone to a flat cotton round and I'm applying that to the second nail of each foot. These toes have glitter on them, so it's going to take a little longer to soak that off. And for the remainder of the polish, I'm just taking some acetone and placing that on cotton balls and letting that sit for a couple of minutes, and the polish will slide right off. So after all of the polish is removed, this is what my nails are looking like. This is my handheld view from my phone cam, and the nails are long. I have cuticle everywhere, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean that up. And I'm going to soak my feet first in my foot spa with a little shower gel, just because I really want my feet to be clean. I'm going to use this instant cuticle remover from Sally Hansen to get the dead skin off of my nail bed. So this just sits on the nail bed for about 15 seconds, and then I take this tool to scrape away the excess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Oddly enough, this is one of my favorite parts in doing my pedicures at home. I really like to make sure that I get all of that junk off because, I don't know, it's kind of satisfying to see, and it makes for a smoother application of the polish with a smooth nail bed surface. Here I will be using the cuticle tool that came in the kit that I showed at the beginning of the video. This just helps to get up any excess that wasn't removed with the gel that I used, and this is a really nice tool because it just makes for a neater looking pedicure when the cuticle area looks nice and trim. So I'm just going to do this on each of my toes. Right here, I'm going to be using the large nail clipper that came in the kit to trim my nails down. I don't like them too long, but I have very tiny nail beds, so I like to make sure that I have a little length so that I can get the shape that I want. But here I'm just going through and trimming them down, and then in the next clip, I'm going to be shaping them. So here is the Kiara Sky Pedi Pack that I'll be using. This is the Mermazing Escape Pack. It comes with a Pedi Balm, a scrub, a mask, and lotion. Here is the Pedi Balm that came in the kit. I'm going to be adding that to my foot spa. It's in the shape of a mermaid's tail, which is really pretty, and it's going to change the water to purple, which just so happens to match perfectly with this bath mat that I'm using. So now it is scrub time, so I'm going to be using this scrub that came in the kit. It is in a nice teal color, and I'm applying it to the heels of my feet and the base of my feet, and basically working it all around to smooth everything out so I'll have a nice soft finish, and I'll return my feet to the spa to soak it off. So now it's time to use the mask, and I want to keep this as neat and not messy as possible, so I decided to put the mask on outside of my foot spa and place my feet into these Ziploc bags. It helps to keep everything neat, as I mentioned, and also allows a little bit of heat to build so that the mask can kind of seep into the skin and soften things up. And I'm going to sit here for about a few minutes, and then I'm going to return my feet to my spot and get this off. I have a warm towel here as well to get any excess off, and I'm using my brush to kind of scrub away the mask as well. It doesn't get hard or anything like that, so it's pretty easy to remove. So after I have dried off my feet, I'm going to take my buffing square and buff the surface of my nails, and this helps to ensure that I have a very nice, smooth, and even polish application. The last step in the Kiara Sky Pedi Pack is lotion. So I'm applying this lotion to my feet. As you can see, it is in that nice minty teal green color, and they give you a nice amount of this lotion so you could work it up your legs if you wanted to. And the next step is going to be to prep for polish. And right here, I'm just taking an alcohol swab and I am removing the excess lotion from my nail bed, and this will help to make sure that the polish adheres without any issues. The paint job is a crucial and important step in the pedicure process, so I want to make sure that I take my time here and paint as neat as possible. It's challenging, not gonna lie, but with practice I get better each time. So I am just going to go ahead and start with my first coat, being sure to get any spills or seepage up with my fingernail. Right here, I'm going in with a second coat of polish. It wasn't really necessary because this polish is actually pretty opaque, but I just decided to do it anyway, and I am going to seal everything off with a top coat. The polish itself is very shiny, though if I didn't have a top coat, I could go without it, but I'm going to seal everything up, and to add a little shadangly razzle dazzleness to my nails, I'm going to add this iridescent glitter polish to the second nail on each foot. I just like to have a little razzle dazzle, so I'm going to do that and apply my top coat. So that is it. Here are my toesies, all nice and polished and ready to go. Moisturize everything. I really like the Kiara Sky Pedi Packs. I think that it is a great concept, as I mentioned, because it includes most of what you would need to have a salon experience at home. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.